Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 passenger van immediately stands out with its bold, clean European styling. Unlike traditional boxy vans that look purely functional, the Sprinter brings a premium, professional appearance that feels modern and upscale. The tall roofline, signature Mercedes grille, sculpted headlights, and long, confident body proportions give it a commanding road presence. It looks like a vehicle built with purpose, because it is. Every line and angle is designed for efficiency, aerodynamics, and interior space optimization. When this van pulls up, it doesn't look like basic transport, it looks like executive mobility. Step inside and the first thing you notice is space, real, usable, stand-up space. The high roof option allows most adults to walk upright inside the cabin, which completely changes the passenger experience. Instead of crouching and squeezing through rows, passengers can move comfortably. Depending on configuration, the Sprinter 2500 passenger van can seat up to 12 to 15 passengers, and each seat is designed with comfort in mind. Supportive cushioning, adjustable headrests, armrests, and generous legroom make long journeys far more enjoyable than typical vans in this category. One of the biggest reasons the Sprinter 2500 is so popular worldwide is flexibility. This van is not locked into a single purpose. It can be configured for airport shuttles, hotel transport, business fleets, tour groups, church groups, large families, or even luxury VIP conversions. Seats can be removed or rearranged to create more cargo space when needed. That means one vehicle can serve multiple roles, something fleet operators and private owners both appreciate. On Auto Trend USA, we always say versatility equals value, and the Sprinter proves that perfectly. Let's talk about the driver experience, because Mercedes didn't forget the person behind the wheel. Despite its size, the Sprinter 2500 is surprisingly easy to drive. The elevated seating position gives excellent road visibility, and large mirrors plus available camera systems reduce blind spots. The steering feels controlled and predictable, and the suspension is tuned to balance passenger comfort with load stability. Whether you're driving in the city or cruising on highways, it feels stable and confident rather than bulky and difficult. Under the hood, the Sprinter 2500 typically comes with a powerful and efficient turbocharged engine lineup. Depending on model year and configuration, you may get a turbocharged gasoline engine or a turbo diesel option. The diesel variant is especially popular for commercial and long-distance use because of its fuel efficiency and strong low-end torque. Torque matters in a passenger van. It helps with smooth acceleration even when fully loaded with passengers and luggage. The automatic transmission is tuned for smooth shifts, helping keep rides comfortable rather than jerky. Technology inside the cabin is another area where the Sprinter 2500 separates itself from older van designs. The dashboard feels modern and intelligent rather than outdated and basic. The Mercedes MBUX infotainment system, available in many models, includes a responsive touchscreen, voice control, navigation, smartphone integration, and vehicle system controls. Drivers can use voice commands to adjust settings, find directions, or manage communication features. This reduces distraction and increases convenience on the road. Passengers benefit from thoughtful features too. Multiple USB ports, charging outlets, climate control vents, and optional Wi-Fi capability can transform the cabin into a connected travel space. For shuttle and business use, this is a major advantage. People can charge devices, stay connected, and remain comfortable throughout the trip. Climate control is designed to distribute airflow evenly across the cabin so passengers in the back rows don't feel forgotten. Safety is one of the strongest selling points of the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 passenger van. Mercedes brings its passenger car safety philosophy into the van world. Advanced driver assistance systems are available, including active brake assist, blind spot assist, lane keeping assist, attention assist, adaptive cruise control, and crosswind stabilization. Crosswind assist is especially important for tall vans. It helps stabilize the vehicle during strong side winds, which improves safety and driver confidence. This is the kind of engineering detail that shows Mercedes understands real-world driving conditions. Build quality is another reason why the Sprinter holds strong resale value. The materials used throughout the cabin are durable and designed for heavy daily use. Seats, flooring, door mechanisms, and controls are built to handle frequent passenger entry and exit. Fleet owners often report long service life when maintenance schedules are followed properly. That long-term durability makes the Sprinter not just a purchase, but an investment. Ride comfort is often underestimated in passenger vans, but not here. The Sprinter 2500 uses a well-tuned suspension system that absorbs road imperfections better than many competitors. Passengers experience fewer vibrations and less harshness, especially on highways. Noise insulation is also improved compared to older van platforms, which helps create a calmer interior environment. Conversation inside the cabin remains easier even at highway speeds. Another major advantage is cargo capacity even with passengers on board. Rear luggage space remains usable, and extended wheelbase versions provide even more storage. This is critical for airport shuttle operators and travel groups carrying suitcases and equipment. The rear doors open wide for easy loading, and the step-in height is designed to balance accessibility with ground clearance. Customization potential is where the Sprinter becomes truly exciting. Around the world, builders convert Sprinters into luxury transporters, mobile offices, camper vans, medical units, and executive lounges. Because the platform is strong and modular, upfitters can install premium seating, entertainment systems, lighting packages, and storage solutions. Some conversions rival private jet cabins in comfort. That level of transformation starts with the quality of the base vehicle, and that's why the Sprinter is often chosen. Fuel efficiency is respectable for a vehicle in this size category, especially with diesel variants. Long-distance operators appreciate the balance between power and economy. Fewer fuel stops mean better operating efficiency, especially for commercial routes. Combined with large fuel tank options, the Sprinter can cover long distances between refueling. Maintenance and service support are important considerations too. Mercedes-Benz has a global service network, and Sprinter models are widely supported in commercial service centers. Parts availability is generally strong, and scheduled maintenance programs help owners plan costs in advance. For businesses, predictable maintenance equals predictable budgets. From a brand perspective, the Mercedes badge carries weight. For executive transport or VIP shuttle service, brand image matters. Clients often feel more confident and comfortable stepping into a Mercedes vehicle compared to generic alternatives. That perception can actually increase business value for transport operators, something many owners confirm. Driving dynamics also benefit from modern electronic stability systems that constantly monitor vehicle behavior. These systems adjust braking and power distribution when needed, helping maintain control in emergency maneuvers. In a fully loaded passenger van, that technology can make a critical difference. Another overlooked benefit is accessibility. Wide sliding doors, optional electric steps, and grab handles make entry and exit easier for passengers of different ages and mobility levels. For group transport, smooth boarding flow saves time and improves overall experience. Lighting inside the cabin is bright and evenly distributed, which helps at night and during early morning travel. Large windows provide excellent outside visibility for passengers, making trips more enjoyable rather than enclosed and claustrophobic. For long road trips, tour services, airport transfers, corporate mobility, or large family adventures, the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 passenger van proves that practicality and premium quality can exist together. It's engineered not just to carry people, but to carry them well. If you enjoy discovering vehicles that combine innovation, comfort, and real-world usability, make sure you stay connected with Auto Trend USA, where we break down the machines that move the world, from luxury vans to powerful trucks and advanced transport technology. And now that you've seen what the Sprinter 2500 passenger van offers, the next time you spot one on the road, you'll know there's far more behind that badge than just a big van. It's a smart mobility platform built for the future.